Jeremy Cook here, and today I'll be taking off a 20-year-old square taper crank from my bike. Normally you'd use a tool like this, put it in there and remove it that way, but I ended up stripping out the thread, so required a lot of cutting and different stuff. A lot of beating, a lot of grinding, but I got it eventually. Finally got it after a bit more beating and cutting. Yeah, it looks kind of nasty in there. There we go, broke it loose. There goes my torque wrench. Of course, I'm twisting this the reverse way. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Pretty heavy. Hey, look how nasty these parts are. I've got it sliced through the top there. This one sliced through the side. 3D printed wrench. Actually worked pretty good. A lot better than I thought it would. Just straight up PLA. And some other stuff. I don't know what that was. And of course the torque wrench was helpful to have. Use some of this stuff, this Park Tool anti-seize stuff, to keep it from seizing in the future. When I need to take that off, you know, another 20 years or so. Thought about using Vaseline, use this for a lot of stuff, but actually spent the money and got the Park Tool stuff. Well, thanks so much for watching. I guess that's what happens when I break a chain. I have to replace a bunch of other stuff. So, new chain, new crank, new pedals even. And it looks great. It looks really good. Nice upgrade to my bike. The theme of this video is if it doesn't come off, just beat it over and over. Use some WD-40 maybe, or some sort of other release thing. And, you know, don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks for watching. This is Jeremy Cook, signing off.